Hey guys, how you doing?
Good morning.
We're just kind of hanging out at home right now. Tim is kind of in the last leg of his recovery.
My ankle recovery, not
A-
leg recovery.
Leg recovery, ankle recovery. He's about 80%
Yeah.
probably back to normal.
Still limping around, stretching out those old tendons and muscles.
Yep.
Still not ready to go back to work.
If you're new here, I'm Gina.
I'm Tim.
And Tim, we make videos about camping, traveling, overlanding, but we've been homebound.
Campfire cooking.
Yeah, we've been homebound for a while because Tim had an
My
ankle
fault.
replacement
Yeah.
surgery.
Total ankle
But
replacement.
you're almost back to 100%.
Almost.
Yep.
Well,
Has it
yeah.
been released to go back to work yet?
No.
The doctor said about 3 more weeks.
Yeah, he said come back in 3 and said the ankle looks good. The muscles and tendons aren't stretching out.
That Achilles tendon.
Yep, it'll kill ya.
So we thought we would squeeze in or
Sneak in.
Yeah, a trip here before he's
But
released to go back to work.
We always do it. It's your spring break, so
Yeah, we always have to like find those little breaks in time, a week here, a weekend there, a couple of weeks here to travel. So while we're getting ready for our trip, we found a new piece of gear that we thought we would share with you.
Yeah, where are we going?
On our trip?
Yeah.
We're going to Kansas.
Oh, so we will be in Kansas some more.
Someplace you might not really think about as far as overlanding or really like exploring goes, but there is a lot of really beautiful scenery out there. So we're hoping maybe to catch some of the spring flowers and everything. We may be a little
tornadoes,
too
though.
early.
We don't want no spring tornadoes. No.
And we'll be picking up our Campfire, which has gone in for some repairs.
From that Spas Creek trail incident.
After our poor choice in roads, but down in Kentucky this past fall, we did some damage. And so we'll be bringing you a video about the repairs that we had done to it and how all of that went as well.
Those masterminds at Campfire came up with some great ideas.
Yeah, they're so creative. They're real problem solvers. So we'll be coming back with some more videos here, some more travel, camping, overlanding, exploring kind of videos.
Cooking
videos
some
as
point,
well. Campfire cooking videos, yep. But for today, we have a gear video for you. We don't do that many gear videos, but we came across this new piece of gear that we thought was worth trying.
Yep. So we'll bring it to you. All right, so we saw this on another YouTube channel a couple weeks ago, Coast to Cascadia. We really enjoy their videos they make. Check them out. But we saw them using it and thought that'd be perfect for us to have in Hackenback for when we go camping. So what we got here is a Proud Pyro Mini fire cage. It is distributed by, let me recheck that. Burn Cage by Bad Idea Supply Company. They have about 5 different sizes of these. I think they sell them more as a burning barrel kind of thing than a campfire, the bigger ones, because they're like 4 or 5 feet tall, some of these. So what we have is just a mild steel that has been cut, laser cut, and it just interlocks like the old kind of like Tinker Toys, if you're old enough to remember what those are. Got side, end. Okay. We ordered ours with a carrying bag. Comes with a lifter for the top. Now let's put it together. Can you zoom in on that?
Yep.
So we'll put these off to the side. Okay. So you got a bottom. Let me do it this way. Tab and slot assembly. It's actually easier to put together than it looks.
Because you're doing it backwards.
I'm doing it backwards. Okay, so you can do it this way. And you've got a top that you can use as a cooking surface. So you can put a skillet on here, feed in here, keep a flame underneath it. Or if you want to use it as a campfire, you can put the other side on. As a fire pit. Set it on the ground, set it on in a fire ring. There you go.
And so when it's done, you've got to let it cool off.
Obviously.
And then you can put it back in the bag.
Right. Store it in the bag. So it comes with a lid lifter. Take the top off.
Some of the criticisms that we were reading.
Yeah, some of the people were saying they should have used heavier steel because it was warping. And in their sales pages, they said that it will warp, but not enough to not be able to put it together, use it.
Right.
About anything you're going to have that you're going to put that much heat into is going to warp. Unless you go up to a 1/4 inch steel or something, then you're not going to want to carry it. It's mild steel, so it will get a surface rust on it.
A patina.
A patina.
They said on the website you can let it patina naturally, or you can keep it coated with linseed oil.
Linseed oil or mineral oil?
Yeah, really. It said linseed on the pamphlet.
Okay. Either one. Just not cooking
Just a
oil.
very light coat.
Not cooking oil. It will burn off. It will smoke. And
Gotcha.
okay, we're going to take this down onto the ground. I just put it on the table for ease of putting it together and showing you. We're not going to try and start a fire on a wooden table.
But you could put it up on a campfire grate. You could put it on. So like they were putting it on top of a fire ring.
Fire ring grate. Yep.
Yeah, when we first saw it. So you could do anything like that. You could put it on top of a grill. You could put it, or just down on the ground. So again, the version that we got is the Pyro Mini portable fire pit campfire. They do have other sizes and other models as well, so they have many different products. We got the mild still version. It was on sale for $79, and then it was $30 for the bag, the carry case that we got to go with it. They do sell a stainless steel version as well. Obviously, it's quite a bit more expensive. They also sell a riser to go underneath it to raise it up off the ground a little more. So the idea behind this, obviously, it's a more portable campfire. If you're someplace without a campfire ring, you can have a campfire in here without having to create a ring. And it's a safer option because you can completely enclose it and reduce the amount of sparks and embers that are escaping. And with all the laser cuts, there's better airflow through it as well. So now that we've got the fire going, of course, we're going to cook some marshmallows and then we'll let it burn down and cool off. And we'll bring you back when we're disassembling it and putting it away.
Okay, so Pyro Pro Mini. Had a fire in it, well, actually is the other day. Not gonna lie. Never showed you how to take it apart. I'm sure you can all figure that out, but not much warpage on the metal, not as much as you would think. As long as you keep the fire low, small, more heat you put in it, the more warpage you're gonna get. This is about the most warpage out of anything is the base. I think a suggestion to the manufacturer would be to maybe make the bottom of the thing out of heavier steel to counteract the warpage. But as you can see, here's the side. Not much warpage there. There's the bag. Nice heavy duty Cordura nylon, obviously. Don't put your panels back hot. They fit in there nice. So there you go. They all fit nicely in the bag. Velcro on the top, keep it closed. Heavy duty handles. And scorched earth. Have a good one, everybody.